what are we thinking about Boeing stock ahead of their earnings? They're going to report earnings on January 28th. Their expected revenue is at 17.1 billion, and the most notable thing about them, in my opinion, is that in 2024, Boeing was down 30%. I'm someone that when I see these stocks getting beat up, these long-standing American stocks, I become very interested. So I want to know why. Why they get beat up? Well, all of the news that came out last year, the problems on Boeing planes, and they even had several deaths, unfortunately, really sunk the stock in 2024. So what's the truth? They have been struggling with profitability, but they are expected to be back on track to become profitable and to bring their stock back above a price of $200 by the end of 2025. How can this happen? Well, they have a $428 billion backlog, and they're projected to deliver 44,000 aircrafts by 2043. So I think Boeing is definitely a longer-term investment. They're not going anywhere. Like I said, a long-standing American company. But in the meantime, we're going to have to give them some patience, some trust that they can turn this ship around. So this would put them at about $85 billion in revenue by the end of 2025, hopefully restoring them to profitability in the next year. Now, this can all be done with increased orders and streamlining the delivery process because they did fail to deliver on some planes that they were expected to deliver in 24. That would be the biggest hinge in all of this. Right now, I'm looking at Boeing as a recovery stock. 2025, I think that's the narrative behind it. It's looking like a big recovery.